Hello friend, thank you so much for clicking this video. I'm Sunday Hoyewale, and in this tutorial today I will be showing you how I will be sketching this project out. Sketching it is the first stage of making this project, so that's what I will be doing justice to in this tutorial. So if you'd like to see how I'm going to be doing this, then this filming is for you. This is just an off course on our focus of this particular project on our platform. There's a link to that in the description of this video. If you'd like to see that immediately after watching this video, you can bump me to that link and then check it out. But before then, let's go right now to see the sketching process of this. We're going to sketch it out. There's some part of it that is script, but at the end you still have a good understanding of how to sketch. You don't need this. You don't need this SS. Okay, we have this. I've stripped off the base. We don't really need the base in here. I'm coming here too and cut it off. And divide this into two. Okay. Divided it into two, and I come to the way back in here too. And I do this two into two. Coming up this way. Then I'm gonna mark it up like this. No particular height, just have to use this very height to get the project done. Okay, right now I get the height, and then I get the height for the back too, and I come into the side in here. Then need to start sketching it. Okay. The major reason I got to use the pencil is that I'm definitely gonna wrongly sketch. The mistake when we were sketching. The essence of the pencil is that so the pencil can then clean off. This is missing up with the height of the back, which I sketched earlier. So I'm having this right now. Representing that in here too. We're going to come in this way. This will also help us to know the point at which the stripe at the back is going to meet. I mean the order of the two stripes. This is going to help us to know where it's going to meet. Okay, we have this. We're going to have this stripe. Forget that I will be having this stripe. This stripe is going to go. We're connecting this. Connecting dots. This is it, and this is meant to be the fastening buckle. The fastening buckle. The accessories that we're going to use to fasten it. And we're going to use to get it hooked. This is it, and this is what we're going to use to get it hooked up. We've got the this right in here, and then every other thing here again are just a straight stripe, but we just need to represent it all on the pattern. Yes, just need to represent it all on the pattern. This is a disconnection in here. It's not a straight thing. It is a disconnection which the leather stripes use in penetrating round the boot. These stripes in there went round, penetrate round to make it more firm. So away from drawing to being a pattern, we want to make it away from the drawing now to make it a ready to use pattern. Thank you so much for watching till this time. Hope you like what you've seen. After it's been sketched, the next thing you're going to do is to then transfer it to this base. So you like to see how I transfer it to this base, don't forget the link in the description of this video, that link. Or you always don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be notified when we release such useful video on our platform. Bye for now and